I remember this day like it was yesterday. I woke up, the alarm made me wake up, and I immediately grabbed my phone to check my Instagram. I scrolling down, I've never even think about to check the time because I've already passed the lesson that was at 8 o'clock, and now after 15 minutes I realized that I've already also late to the job. I decided to at least go to job, and there everything was fell down to me. Someone said that you must check the documents, you must check Gmail. Someone said that came with me, we must do something, and lots of this type of interruptions just interrupt my attention. And at the end of the day, I realized that nothing is done fully, not everything is partially done, and I'm not done actually. So this situation was prolonged around 6 months, and at the end I decided that I must fix this problem. I must fight this problem at least. So that my name is Nurjan Alieva, and today I'm going to talk about the focusing issue. It's a really big issue, so that we must fight with it. I will give the reasons that lead to this problem, and at the end I will give solutions. First of all, the problem is focusing, problem is concentration. A lot of people are suffering from this problem, and lots of people are trying to fight with it, and another part are saying that, oh my god, I'm just born with this problem, so that it's okay for me living with it. I promise you that this type of people are kill themselves, because focusing is just an important part of our life. We must consider it as as a valuable part. So now I would like to just really give you the reasons that leads to the problematic issue with focusing. Actually, the thing that I want to mention there is that the real reason is you. Not your boss, not your work, not your education, nothing else. The real reason is you. Even if the world will fall down, you can make you to focus on something. It's like this. But the 4 reasons that I would like to list there is something else. It will partially reflect on your focusing, but it will reflect so that these things are really well known around the world. Of course, there are lots of reasons, but these 4 are really well known. The first one is sleeplessness. People are really tired and they do not sleep during the days, and the worst thing there is that it can conclude with a brain of cells to die. It's a really big issue, so that we must be really attentionable there. The second thing is about, I would like to say some quote there. Any additional news for your attention is bad news. Like, it's a real thing. I would like to give an example for you to understand me better. For example, you are doing an assignment and you are just already done with introduction, and you say that I'm gonna go and a little relax. So that you're gonna go to kitchen, and your mother said that we're gonna tomorrow go to the restaurant, and you're like, okay, and your attention is split in 2 ways, into assignment and into restaurant. So like, if you were fully concentrated on assignments, now you are 50% concentrated on it, and it's just a really big issue and interrupt your attention, of course. The third thing is, of course, telephone, internet, all other gadgets that can interrupt your day, even as it was in my case. I already given an example before. The fourth reason is ADHD. I would like to explain it. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, which really bad disorder which suffer from a lot of people. I would like to give a statistics. 4% of children are suffering from this disorder. 20% of adults are fighting with this problem, and 5% of adults have this problem. So this problem just interrupt your day, interrupt your ability to plan, interrupt your ability to focus, concentrate, and lots of other things that damage your brain even. So all these reasons are really bad for your concentration. But now I would like to give some solutions that I used, that are really important to make that it can help you to fight with this issue. You can less the time of using telephone is really helpful. You can isolate yourself and using nothing, just think about something interesting. Or only just maybe you can isolate yourself in a room and isolate yourself from phone, from everything, just the paper and pen, and it will help you to restore your brain and make your life easier and with more interesting colors. And in conclusion, I would like to say that focusing is a really big thing, really big part of our life. So that be attentionable to it and try to realize if you have this problem or if you're not. If you have, try to fight it, and at the end of the day you will win, because attention and focusing is a really important thing of our life. Of course, it will help you to manage the time. It will help you to make your life more interesting and more comprehensible to you. And yeah, I would like to call you to the action that you can do. You can manage to do these solutions. You can isolate yourself from phone or from many other things that can cause this problem. So that, yeah, thank you for listening to me. Thank you for your attention, and have a good day.